Today we're going to walk through the steps of removing a stereo from a Dodge Ram pickup truck. There are some varieties of this removal, but we're going to start with setting the parking brake, lowering the steering column to its down position, and shifting to a lower gear. On the right side of this front dash panel, in some instances in this little cubby at the top right, there's a small Phillips screw here that secures the front dash panel to the dash. This is only in some models, not all. If the screw's not there, then there's no worries. But this front dash panel around the radio, the AC vents, and the front gauges pries from the dash, releasing clips, and these clips release with pry pressure, usually grasping this panel and pulling it from the dash will release it as well. This panel will pull forward both on the left and right sides of the dash. If you have that screw that's in that opening, there will be one connector here on the right that needs to be released, usually a trigger on this. Squeeze it down into the connector and wiggle it loose. Watch out for the emergency flasher switch when pulling this panel up off of the dash, and this is going to give access to the car stereo. Now, also you can see here in the dash all these little red felt pieces. This marks the spots where all the clips from the front dash panel push into the front dash from the trim panel, and make sure that all the clips are removed. You can go around all these openings with a pair of pliers and remove this clip and place it back on the front panel and have that ready for when you reinstall. But we've seen also two bolts that secure this car stereo to the dash, one at the bottom left and one at the top right. This is mainly a 10mm bolt. You will pull the car stereo from the dash. This car stereo has several connectors on the back. The black connector is usually the main connector for the speakers, and there's a little trigger at the top of this, or a little clip that you lift up away from the connector, and the connector unlocks and you can remove this. This goes for the gray connector as well. The antenna is just a press fit, and grabbing the base of this antenna and pulling it straight out the back of the radio will release it. The one remaining connector here is the ground lug, and usually this trigger is a little bit difficult to squeeze in and get this connector to release, but this is how you remove the stereo. For aftermarket installation, see our video on our website. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.